Okay, well, I just got back from the range with my 2011 Staccato CS. This is the new 2024 version. And forgive me, this is my first YouTube video too. So let's take a look at what we got. So we got the nylon case from Staccato, the CS badge. I did order mine with extra magazines, so I have 6 in total. We'll take a look at the one in the gun. Accessory pack, we'll put that aside for now. And let's take a look at this guy. Here it is. As you see, I have the empty chamber flag in there, so we're all good there. We'll pull the mag. Come on. There we go. Put that aside. So here it is. The CS 2024 version with Aimpoint Acro, of course. Just got back from the range. 100 round quality check. No failures, no issues to feed. Shot really, really well for a little gun. I did go with the DLC coated barrel and the slide cuts. Weapon light, full dust cover, flat trigger on this model. Overall, very impressed so far with this. Empty. Okay. We'll take a look at the trigger brake. This is a 4.5 pound trigger. Beautiful. Let's look at that reset. Yep. Overall, very happy. This is replacing a Glock 48 for me. I think a little extra width and having a high quality gun with a bigger magazine is worth the trade-off. I know some people laugh at the P2, but I just think it's the best optic on the market. We can take a look what's in the accessory pack. I think it's the same old for all Staccatos. Iron sights, aimpoint tool, aimpoint manual. So Nick did my final assembly. Thank you, Nick. Open lock. There should be a... There it is. Beautiful target. They zeroed it for me. I confirmed that at the range. Shooting a little to the left. Not sure if that's me with the little gun, or if I need to take an adjustment. I'll wait till I get out to an outdoor range and really spend some more time with that. But what do you guys think?